Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I lay my edges, and to do that you're going to need some water, a scarf of course, a toothbrush or an edge brush, and whichever gel you guys like to use on your edges. I like to use the Shine and Jam, so this is what I'll be putting on today. And to begin, I'm just going to wet my toothbrush with some water, if it will come out. And I'm just gonna brush down my edges. And try to make sure you're just getting your edges and not any long pieces of hair, because then you're gonna have a bit of trouble getting it done. And then I take my jam and I just do the same thing again. I just brushing down. And then I just swoop them with my finger like this. And this usually takes me forever because I'm still learning how to do this. And then I go over to the other side. And there's always that one side that likes to do it better than the other one. So I just go with the flow. And I am finished. I'm just gonna take the scarf and put it over these bad boys for about 15 minutes or so. And then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how they look. Okay, so I am back and I'm about to show you guys how it looks. I normally don't tend to do my edges, but I just did them for the sake of this video and because I've been trying new stuff. So Lego, this is what they look like. Oh my goodness, you guys see how there are 3 swoops over here and then 2 on whatever. Anyways, yeah, that's my edge tutorial video. So hope you guys enjoyed watching me struggle, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't as yet, don't forget to subscribe, and if you wish to, you can leave a comment down below and I'll reply to you. I will see you guys in my next video, and enjoy your day.